Hi guys, this is Jake DeWitt, and today I'm going to be running through the Smart Tag Link app in the Success Engine apps. Now the Smart Tag Link app has a very specific use case, so let me run through that use case really quick. The idea here is, say you want to be able to send out an email to notify a user when a contact record takes a specific action. Say for example you have a sales rep, or you want to notify the owner or the sales rep of that contact when that contact maybe, like, I don't know, say they clicked a link in another email, or they ordered something, or they submitted a web form or something like that. They took some specific action and you want to notify a user, and then you want that user to then click a link in that email to apply a tag back on that specific contact's record. Now the issue is, if you've tried to set this up in Infusionsoft out of the box, you'll notice that when you set up that notification email to go out to the user, when that user clicks that link, it's actually going to apply that tag to their contact record and not the contact record that triggered the email to send. And that's because links are actually tied to the email address that the email is sent to, and not the contact that triggered the email to send. It's kind of interesting how that works, and unfortunate. But with using the Smart Tag Link app, you can get around that and set up notification emails. So really quick, I'm just going to run you through how you can set that up. Right here, the first option is you need to select what tag you want to apply to the contact. So we'll just do that one. Also note you can add a new tag with this first option. That'll add the tag to your Infusionsoft app. And then you just plug in the URL you want to take the user or the person to after they click this link. So I just put in google.com there, and then I can copy this generated URL down below and go over to Infusionsoft to set this up in the email. So I already have a campaign with an email set up for this. I'm just going to go into that email and show you how this will work. So the first option you have, well, one thing to note is normally you would think, okay, well, maybe I can just do this where I link that text and throw in the URL here. This used to work. Unfortunately, Infusionsoft changed how even these links work to where this merge field for the contact ID actually merges in the contact, once again, associated with the email that it sent to you, not the contact that triggered the email. So this won't work. So what we'll need to do instead is either directly throw in the link right here, like just as is. So it's just the text of the URL, and then this will work. And that's probably the easiest option. It's not the prettiest, but it's the easiest. Or the other option you have here is you can set up a code snippet, drag out a code snippet, just like this, and throw in some HTML code. Now I've already actually done that over here, so this please click here is set up with this HTML, which is just an A element. So this is just a link in HTML, and this part, the href, this is the part that's designating where it's going to. And then the text right in between this is the part that's the linkable text that gets displayed there. So anyways, you can pause the video right now, and you could, basically the part you'd want to copy, and actually you don't even need this first top part, I'll get rid of that just to simplify it, would be something like this. This is all you would need, is this, and then where this href equals question mark, or quotation marks, in between the quotation marks you would paste in the URL you copied over here from the apps. So that's just if you want it to look pretty versus just throwing in the link just like this. Those are the two options that you have. But either option will work. But those are the ways that we have to do it now to make sure that the tag gets applied to the contact that triggered the email versus the contact associated with the email address that this email was sent to. So anyways, hopefully that makes sense. Once again, this is a very specific use case app, and this is really the main use case, but tell us if you guys have any questions on this. Thanks. Bye.